So you want to update your WordPress instance and can't do it via WordPress admin, or you don't want to do it via WordPress admin. You can connect to your instance containing your WordPress via SSH and issue WP Core update and then update DB. In my case, WordPress is up to date, but what is actually going on is that WP Core update, any WP CLI action is executed as daemon user, and you might run into permission issues. For instance, if you were running a WordFence or some other security WordPress plugin, it might have changed your file and directory permissions. Or if you change the user and group owning the WordPress directory and files. In my case, solution was to assign everything to daemon user and group and then run the WP Core update and update DB and assign everything back to the Bitnami daemon user as it should be by default. Other case, what might happen is that there are additional permission issues and you can always reset your permissions to the default. If you go to my article and go to reset permissions, you can always reset them by issuing these commands, where 775 means that the owner can read, write and execute, while group members can also do the same thing. 664 means that the owner and the members of the group can read and write, while the others can only read. And last, 640 means only the owner can write, group members can read, and others can't access the files. It's logical for WP config PHP. No one should access this except the group and owner member. And when you finish, I suggest that you secure your files again by issuing a more stricter commands, where these commands, these flags, are just restricting write access, minimizing the risk of unauthorized modifications.